450 brake horsepower, 0 to 60 in 3.9 seconds. This is the beautiful Audi RS5 Sport Edition, and the Sport Edition gives you a few extras. Now this car is amazing, full service history, 32,000 miles, 2019 model in this beautiful white with all the black styling on it. Today with the live pricing, it's 51,990, and that's a lot of car for the money, especially a new generation car, the new interior, the new exterior. It just looks mega. The whole stance on this car is brilliant. The car is a Quattro with it being on an RS product. They're all Quattros, so you've got 4x4 capabilities, but it looks immense, brilliant car. You've got all the features that you want, so this is not a standard car by any situation or by any means, because it's a Sport Edition. So first of all, you have that honeycomb grille there with the black badging and black Audi rings. You've got the LED style daytime running lights, full adaptive headlights, headlight washers, front and rear parking sensors, and that real aggressive front splitter and bumper is all flared out with a high gloss black section as well. Same as the corner grills, they're all in high gloss black. The Quattro badging, you've then got this flared arch kit front and rear. That's part of the RS product. That's what you get, a more aggressive look. So it sits ever so well on the road, but it sticks out all the way. You've then got the upgraded, the better wheels, the Audi Sport wheels in the 20-inch with a matte finish on the insert just there and a like slightly darker shade on the outside. And again, in brilliant condition, no curb damage, no corrosion, nothing like that. The Audi RS5 badge on the side is finished in high gloss black, the side stripe in black, black mirror covers, and the window surrounds are also finished in black, so this car is fully de-chromed. You've then got that fully tilt and sliding panoramic roof, but for me it's the interior. You've got that beautiful flat bottom steering wheel, Audi virtual live cockpit, Bang & Olufsen sound system. You've got the illuminated cup holders, the quilted leather with Alcantara and the RS5 embossed into the seats, electric seats, massaging seats, there's Alcantara under the door cards. It's stunning. Little features like the speaker system where it illuminates down here, they look great as well. The Audi Sport entry lights, and then the kick plates are also illuminated in the RS5. The condition of this car is immaculate. It's been so well looked after, inside and out, bodywork, wheels, seats. Because they have bucket style seating, sometimes what you get is as you get in and out the seats, you start to wear away the corners here, but this one is in near perfect condition. As you come around the back, you'll notice straight away you've got that lovely black boot lid spoiler, black badging and rings, the oval tailpipes like all the RS product you get, and the F1 style rear diffuser. But again, if you look down the side, you'll see here that flared rear arch just over the wheel there. Not a dent or scratch anywhere to be seen. Bumper scuffs, non-existent. LED sweeping dynamic rear lighting system. And on this one, you've also got the reversing camera as well. A very nice, generous boot, and the seats go down to create a bigger boot space. Battery and toolkit and first aid kit there. Tinted rear lighting system, but what a car this is. It is unbelievable. It's brilliant. The sound unbelievable, that natural roar that it has with a 2.9 engine. You've also got piano black on the door cards and the centre dash as well, with this very rich brushed aluminium finish, electric windows and mirrors, paddle shift. You've got different dynamic modes, so you've got auto, comfort, individual. Just the sound. Heated seats, dual zone climate control, the system down here to control the media, Bluetooth, DAB, wireless charging pad just down there, 2 keys and USBs as well. If you're not going to use the sunroof, press the button, you can close it up, no problem whatsoever. But the seating position, it's very comfortable, because you do get in a lot of sports cars and you think, oh, that's hurting my back, it's hard or it's stiff. Well, this one's not, it's just right. But that's why Audi RS products are brilliant. They sound great, they go very well, they handle the road ever so well, and they're comfortable. Lots of visibility, lots of glass, feels great. Great example, full service history, 1919 RS5 Sport Edition. That's the big thing here. The wheels, the black styling pack, the panoramic roof, the better interior. My name's Joe, my name and number's on the bottom of the screen. If there's anything more you want to know about this particular car, give me a call, drop me a text or WhatsApp. We're more than happy to help you. Thanks for watching, bye bye now.